In Japan, try a traditional bowl of miso soup with tofu and vegetables, paired with a side of steamed rice and pickled vegetables. It's a light and nutritious way to kickstart your morning. Head over to Mexico for some huevos rancheros, a flavorful dish made with fried eggs, salsa, beans, and avocado on a corn tortilla. It's a satisfying breakfast that will keep you full until lunchtime. In France, indulge in a buttery croissant paired with a café au lait. It's a classic combination that never fails to delight the taste buds. For a taste of the Middle East, try some creamy labna with olive oil, za'atar, and fresh herbs, served with warm pita bread. It's a refreshing and satisfying way to start your day. And finally, in India, enjoy a hearty breakfast of dosa, a crispy fermented crepe made from rice and lentils, served with coconut chutney and sambar. It's a flavorful and nutritious way to fuel your day. So next time you're wondering what to have for breakfast, why not take inspiration from around the world? Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more global food inspiration.